Welcome, dear children. Shall we continue the topic land and oceans? In the previous class, we have learned continents, mountains, plateaus, and plains. Now we are going to see about third order landform and oceans. First, we are going to study about third order landform. Third order landforms are formed on mountains, plateaus, and plains mainly by erosional and depositional activities of rivers, glaciers, winds and waves, valleys, beaches, and sand dunes are some examples of third order landforms. Now we are going to see about oceans. Which is the blue planet? Earth is a blue planet, isn't it? Why Earth is called blue planet? 2/3 of its surface is covered with water, so Earth is called blue planet. The water is found in oceans and seas. What is the difference between seas and oceans? Oceans are vast expanse of water, but seas are water bodies only in part or fully enclosed by land. As you have studied previously, there are 5 main oceans in the world, isn't it? There are first one Pacific, second one Atlantic Ocean, third one Indian Ocean, fourth one Southern Ocean, fifth one Arctic Ocean. Now we are going to see about the Pacific Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest ocean on the earth. It covers about 1/3 of the Earth's total area and spreads for about 168.72 million square kilometer. It is bounded by Asia and Australia in its west and North America and South America in its east. It stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. We have already learned Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. If Mount Everest, which is the highest point, was plugged into the Mariana Trench, still there would be 2,146 meters of water left. Pacific Ocean is in roughly triangular shape. There are some important marginal seas in the Pacific Ocean. They are Bering Sea, the China Sea, the Sea of Japan, Tasman Sea, and the Philippines Sea. The important island of Pacific Ocean is Indonesia, Philippines, Japan, Hawaii, New Zealand are some of the islands located in this ocean. The deepest point, Mariana Trench, is 10,994 meters and is located in the Pacific Ocean. A chain of volcanoes is located around the Pacific Ocean called the Pacific Ring of Fire. The Spanish navigator Ferdinand Magellan named the ocean Pacific, meaning calm. Now we are going to see about the Atlantic Ocean. The Atlantic Ocean is the second largest ocean on the earth. It covers on 6 of the Earth's total area and spreads for about 85.13 million square kilometer. It is bounded by North America and South America in the west and Europe and Africa in the east, like the Pacific. It stretches from the Arctic Ocean in the north to the Southern Ocean in the south. The shape of the Atlantic Ocean resembles St. Helena, Newfoundland, Iceland, and Falkland are some of the islands found in this ocean. Next, we are going to study about the Indian Ocean. The Indian Ocean is the third largest ocean in the world. It covers an area of about 70.56 million square kilometer. It is named after India. It is triangular in shape like ocean and bounded by Africa in the west, Asia in the north, and Australia in the east. Malacca Strait connects the Indian Ocean and the Pacific Ocean. The important island of Indian Ocean is the Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Lakshadweep, Maldives, Sri Lanka, Mauritius, and Reunion Islands are some of the islands located in Indian Ocean. There are some important marginal seas of the Indian Ocean: the Bay of Bengal, the Arabian Sea, the Persian Gulf, and Red Sea are some of the important marginal sea of the Indian Ocean. The Java Trench is the deepest point in the Indian Ocean. Next, the Southern Ocean. The Southern Ocean surrounds the continent of Antarctica and is enclosed by the 60° south latitude. It covers an area of 21.96 million square kilometer. It is bordered by the southern parts of the Pacific, the Atlantic, and the Indian Ocean. The Ross Sea, the Weddell Sea, and the Davis Sea are the marginal seas of this ocean. Farewell Island, Bowman Island, and Hearts Island are some of the islands located in this ocean. The water in this ocean is very cold. Much of it is covered by sea ice. The deepest point in this ocean is South Sandwich Trench. Next, the Arctic Ocean. The Arctic Ocean is the smallest ocean, but the Pacific Ocean is the largest ocean in the world. 15.56 million square kilometer. It lies within the Arctic Circle. It remains frozen for most of the year. The Norwegian Sea, the Greenland Sea, the East Siberian Sea, and the Barents Sea are some of the marginal seas of this ocean. Greenland, New Siberian Island, Novaya Zemlya Island are some of the islands located in the Arctic Ocean. The Eurasian Basin is the deepest point in the Arctic Ocean, which is about 5,449 meters in depth. Children, what is peninsula? The land surrounded by water on three sides. For example, India. What is island? A land surrounded by water on all sides. The four sides of water. That is name is called a island. For example, Sri Lanka. What is strait? A narrow stretch of water linking two large water bodies name is called strait. For example, Park Strait. What is trench? The deepest part of the ocean. For example, Mariana Trench, Java Trench, South Sandwich Trench, etc. What is isthmus? A narrow strip of land which connect two large land masses are separates two large water bodies. Its name is called isthmus. For example, North America and South America. Okay, thank you dear children. Learn well, do well.